Hi all, my name is Gulshan Barno, working as an assistant professor AI and DS department SNS institutions. As a continuation of the previous video, we are here looking upon the topic Unit 1 Software Process and Agile Development. The topic that we are going to see today is software process. Before diving into the topic, we will just see what is the recall of the software engineering, that is the introduction of software engineering. We saw certain basic concepts of software engineering. What is the need for software engineering, the software crisis problem, engineering approaches, the benefits and prototype phase. So software engineering is basically the prototype or the process in which you will be developing a project and the way in which you will develop and maintain the project in an efficient way. Now, what is software process? So, for every methodology or every introduction of any of the process, you need a defined process, right? So, software is also one of the thing in which a software process is evolved. It actually involves different coordinated activities, and it should satisfy the stakeholders, and it should differ in size and complexity. It should have the flexibility in execution. It should have the quality and time delivery as possible. Now, software development or software process has different kinds of process like process framework, umbrella activity. In umbrella activity, you have word, task given and the milestone. First comes the process framework. Process framework is nothing but the different kinds of frameworks that you involve. In the upcoming videos, we will be seeing like what are all the different kinds of process framework associated. Umbrella activity is nothing but just like a single platform in which a person or the process will be developed based on the work done, the milestone and the task received. So in this you have two different frameworks, that is task and the task done within a time. So this is what the umbrella activity will be involved with. Now, what are the concepts behind this software process is it should contain different kinds of activities, it should have different kinds of actions, it should have different kinds of tasks. So now in this you have a broad objective like software process is not just a small process. Next you have major works to be produced and you have to focus on a specific goal. Next you have to deliver the concept in a way that it designs the project in how the user actually needs. So software process is nothing but how you process the project in an efficient way. So these process involves coding, building the project, planning the process, testing it, and then what you have to do is you have to release the project, then you have to deploy it, operate it and monitor. So this is all about software processing activities. So now what is the nature of a software process? The first thing is it is rigid, and the second one it adapts. The third one it has n number of teams and it performs the actions and tasks based on the teams. It supports the collaborative platforms and it ensures a timely basis process in which it has to be done in an efficient way. Now, this is how the software process framework is being developed. The first phase will be planning. The second phase will be design. The third phase will be testing. The fourth phase will be maintenance. The fifth phase will be delivery. So as I told you before, umbrella activity is nothing but developing a project, tracking the risk management, assuring the quality of a product, configuring different kinds of managemental activities and processing with certain improvements and project success. Now, this is what we saw in the software process. We saw what is actually a software processes. We understood the concept of software process framework, umbrella activity. We saw the concepts that is associated with the software. We saw what is a nature of a software process is all about. We saw a generic framework which involved different kinds of stages, that is from stage 1 to stage 5. We saw an umbrella activity. Now these are the things that is dealt with software process and its concept. These are the certain reference links where you can take and refer for the concepts that is associated with it. Now, this is one of the very simple questions in which it had. You can just refer for it and answer the question. Now this is all about the concept of software process and its basic deal in which the software engineering is all about. So software process is a very simple process. So it is just a type in which a process has to be evolved. So I hope that you understood this topic in an efficient way. As of now, thank you. Have a good day.